I would suggest it's a normal person base, just really poorly built. I mean, look how low down it is. You wouldn't, if you're building a heli base, you wouldn't build it one floor high. Try to make where you going? Oh, fair. Try to make a couple of the jump dogs. Thank you.
Hello. There we go.
Oh, easy enough.
Falling up.
It's just dirty.
So Pete, right? Yeah, it doesn't feel correct.
Joke.
Well, yeah, I mean, we're basically free raiding this.
Chuck us a ladder.
Oh dear,
So,
these boys don't know what they're doing.
So yeah, I don't know which one, but I suggest the
Maybe...
square here. I mean, we can go through so many. We've got jackhammers.
Yeah, there's no limit.
I'd say this square one here.
Just start with this boy. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah. What do you think's behind this wall then?
It's hard to tell. Hopefully some loot. Hopefully it's all open plan. Careful for traps. What we've got?
A rad suit. I like that.
Oh, rad suit, nice. A good pick too.
Seeing a lot of metal down here, dude. Ooh, now we're into Shitstown.
Okay.
I mean, we could get into. Oh, hold on, this door's open.
Oh.
This goes to. Oh shit, the bed.
What's up?
Oh! Come on.
9 tech trash! 9 tech trash!
Oh! Get in. Not much else. But
doesn't matter, that's all we need, dude.
That's actually insane.
Holy, that's madness.
That's insane.
Oh my god, look at this end.
Oh, I know, right? All the recyclables.
Oh my goodness me.
This was... Oh, a couple of...
Pumpy?
That door goes to...
Because, like, what's in here? Maybe it...
Okay, I mean, we've got the stuff to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd like to keep some of this fucking shit. But
well, yeah.
Yeah, which one do you want to do? The one you're next to, yeah?
I guess.
This one?
Yeah, why not?
I really don't know about this one.
It's ambiguous.
Oh shit! It wasn't. I wasn't expecting this.
This is weird.
Or we just go into this stone floor, but I think that's sufficiently enough. I mean, we got the C4 ready to go.
Yeah, there could be some good GP in there or something. I don't know.
All right, yeah, we'll grab 2 C4. Let's fuck it. Let's throw caution to the wind.
Do it. Ow! Fuck!
Ow! Yeah, they're in the. I'm dead. They're in the fucking window of that base, dude.
Look, this is for you because I'm sorry.
Thank you, buddy. You're a diamond.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Dude, you sound familiar.
I don't know.
Do you stream or YouTube?
No, I'm not good enough to do YouTube. Yeah. What nice guys. They gave me 4 men sticks and 32 rifle bullets.
I guess just 2.
2
to this place. Yeah. Or 3 in case there's a door.
Maybe 3 in case there's a door. And what we destroying the TC with?
I got silent spaz.
Oh, fair. Where'd the fucking horse go?
I took it home.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think it's. Yeah.
I think we're safe to assume it's.
I mean, it's a. Which floor though? Do we want to get into this one here? It's the furthest one away.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And then I guess we could go get the jackhammers and like pick back through it if it's stone.
Yep.
All is well.
You shut the door, it doesn't exist. Okay.
Wood doors.
Oh, it's fucking wood doors, dude.
Metal.
Okay, 3,000 sulfur?
Yeah?
Ish? 2,300 sulfur? Fuck, what do you want to do about these doors?
Well, I'm not throwing fucking C4 on a wood door.
I think we go and get flamethrower.
Go get flamethrower, burn the 2 at once, or just craft some of the GP into a satchel or 2.
Yeah, but we don't want to make any more noise, you know?
That's fair. Alright.
But that's the solo player.
Guy, to my right. He's geared, he's geared.
They're the boys,
Yeah, they're going to be coming around the right hand side. Do we take him or not?
I'm dead.
Did you kill him?
Had to. No.
Oh, he's got a mate.
Getting shot from, yep. Killed one.
I've killed no one. Need to heal.
The
Hold
one
on.
on the.
Is there one on the rock
thing's
still?
dead. Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Last guy's at thingy. He's
Yeah.
running at me. I see him.
Headshot him. He's still lying. You got him?
Nope.
Breeze, this guy's name is? I do not.
He was right here. He's probably ran like 100 degrees that way. Scheisse. I wonder if it does splash. We'll find out, I guess.
Like, I'd presume so if you shoot right in the middle.
Yeah.
That would be the clever thing. Oh my god, that's going. No, that's got to be the workbench that's getting hurt so bad.
No, the doors, they barely take anything to get rid of.
TC?
TC? TC. And loot. Gorgeous.
Right, do you want to... Is
Have you got
that
any
locked?
water?
Unsurprisingly not.
Careful.
What?
Don't go down.
What?
Holy.
What? Oh, I see it.
Big dick.
Big dick energy. We're fine.
Oh, laptops.
TC,
Yeah, that's locked.
TC's open.
Dude, check back left. Check back right.
Is that right?
At the top. Check it.
Ooh. Ooh.
That's juicy, baby.
Oh, I'm glad I found this one, my dude. Right, okay. Easy money. Let's seal this bad boy up.
Oh, sick. The 1200 scrap is what I saw.
Yeah, oh. That was the first thing that drew my attention.
I looked at the GP. Oh, hot damn, that's close. Yeah, that's sealed, baby.
She's sealed.
There's a lot of zone kits. We need those. That's good.
I mean, well, you don't want to go and see what those shots are first?
Well, yeah.
Wow.
We're getting very lucky with these little raids like this.
These little ones are just turning out to be really fucking profitable.
You'd usually spend like 64 for something like that. It's really nice.
Like, how much GP was in that back top one? 1,000, 1,200 scrap.
1,000.
Oh, 162 high qual is gorgeous.
Definitely worth it.
Oh, 100%.
Do you think these going to those shots is worth, or should we just ferry?
I mean, we can ferry if you want. Should we ferry?
Yeah, let's ferry.
You bring a ladder. Fair enough.
So it's a bus stop base, right?
Oh shit.
Front doors.
So it
Front
is.
door's right here.
Right.
So I don't know where the loot surely would not be inside here, right? Unless they've just sealed it off.
I mean, why would you not put the loot in the bus stop?
It's strange. I mean, if we're going by the way they built it, it's clear there's loot here, or at least the TC's here.
Actually,
and then-
I tell you where the TC probably is. In that trick where... Oh, actually, no, they've built this so poorly, I have no idea where it is. Oh,
That's at you.
I tagged him twice.
I'll go for him.
Did you just get him? Because there was a fucking noise over here. Maybe a shit show and a half, and I love it.
Yeah,
You just got fucking L96'd.
I fucking did.
Are you
Oh
dead?
shit. No, I'm good.
Are we just
Ish.
dipping into the trees?
Yep.
To the supermarket?
There's one here. Don't fucking shoot at me, you stupid. Yeah, he knows what's good for him. I don't know where you've gone, dude.
You just going in?
He's AFK right here.
Please.
Shh. Here, come here.
They might have been going off to
Cargo.
oil rig. You gonna remember where the fuck you're placing this, bro?
Yeah. Pop them in.
Close her up.
Yep, they're far up on the hill. I don't know if they saw us. There's a chance they did. There's a chance they didn't. Oh fuck! I'm right next to them.
How do you know?
Because I'm right next to them.
I'm really far away from you, dude.
Holy fucking hell!
Oh, I see them.
Yep.
There's two.
There is two.
Do you want to engage?
I'm not in a position to right now.
You need to tell me, because I can.
Okay, they've come out the other side of it, northeast side.
Are they coming up the top, or are they going coast down to the coast? Oh, I see
They're
them.
down on the coast at the balloon.
Oh, I can pop them. Fucking cover me, Ben.
I can't. Okay, I'm going. Let's push them.
I don't know
We
where
could
they
bait
are.
them. We could set a little trap.
Set a trap.
Shall I do it?
Do it. Gosh, you're so far away from me. Oh god. They were a lot further ahead than I thought they were.
We're in the end game now.
Shh. Shush. One's dead.
Other one's dead.
Oh, we just did it!
We just did it to him, baby.
L9.
Bolty. Oh, yes.
Bounce.
What's his name? What's his name?
Oh god, I don't want to know. Oh god, it's the dude. Oh god, it's the dude who gave me the shit.
Oh no, we're screwed. We're screwed. Where are we going? Why are we going this way?
I don't know. I just
I've
don't know.
got full Metal Gear.
Same. Oh my god, the play. The play.
We just set the trap.
The bait and
And
switch.
executed it. Oh, we need to go home.
Oh
Should we
god.
just... No, we can't do the raid. They're coming back with guns. You got an AK?
Yeah. What did you get?
I need an MP5 and a bolt.
He only had a bolt. Is that what he
A bolt
had?
and an MP5.
Oh, he had an MP5. Yeah, AK L96, dude. I killed the big boy. Oh, they know where we live.
Yep. We are getting raided.
Should we just give them the stuff back?
No. Yep, at our base.
Whereabouts?
Right outside it.
Tagged one.
Tagged him. Ah, that fucking hurts, dude.
I don't see him. Kinda need to.
They're around the back of it now, I think.
Around the back of the base.
Yeah. Why is my scope?
Headshot one.
Nice. Is he dead?
No. He's hurting. No, I need
I
to.
don't see them.
I need to reposition. They're around the back of the base, man. He peeked right side,
Okay, I'm gonna get a big flank on.
so I'm gonna reposition. Yeah, they have done.
Okay, where are
No,
they?
oh no, they haven't. No, they haven't. That was. I don't think that was.
Yeah, they
them.
have. They have.
They have.
Yep.
No, one's still at the
Headshot one.
base. One's still at the base. Hit him again, but I'm fucking
Right, I've
hurting.
downed one. I've downed one.
Nice.
Where is the other guy?
Behind the base.
I'm gonna full kill him.
I'm hurting.
Killed. Behind the base. Which side?
Yeah, right. He was right side. I don't see him now. He might have
Don't
moved.
see him now.
I think he's dipping.
Nah, no way.
He is.
He is. Hit him once.
Me too.
He's got to be dead. No, he's not.
No, he's not.
Hit him again. He's down. Nice. We got him.
G fucking G, son.
If they weren't gonna raid us now they are.
Another AK and bolt.
Another MP5. Another AK and bolt. Oh, gorgeous.
What is this?
Hazmat suit as well.
What is this?